Hey, how you doing? My name is Jack McDonald. The purpose of the training is to train you on how to create this amazing drop shipping online store and having up and running in a matter of minutes and be able to sell it for as much as $1,000 in less than 2 or 3 months. All right, my name is Jack McDonald. So I run this beautiful YouTube channel all about creating websites online, so you can check me out on that. But this channel, Shopify is the name. It's all about Shopify, creating website, starting businesses online using the business model known as drop shipping, which is making us a lot of financial freedom. All right, with that being said, let me just quickly say that at the end of this video, you can thank me on kofi.com. I've got this page. You can buy me a coffee. Just show your gratitude. I feel I must show you a way. So if you feel that sense of gratitude at the end of this training, well, you can thank me right here on KO5. Now, that being said, let's get to this training. Let's get to the video. First of all, I'm just going to say that whatever we are going to talk about in this training, the training step by step on how to actually create a dropshipping store that look like this one and having up and running in a matter of minutes, and again be able to sell it for as much as 1,000 in less than 3 months. The training is on the channel, so I'll put a link in the description. Is a free training, is less than 1 hour training, and I take you from A to Z. The magic recipe of this training is as simple as this: find product, sell product. Basically, I take you through the whole process from finding a product to actually sell the product. You know, out there, maybe you watch already tons and tons of trainings, but I really take you from A to Z. Okay, so I suggest you to really go ahead and watch this video later at the end of this. Down at the bottom, if you click on free 14 days trial, right, and you click on it, you'll be redirected to this landing page. If you put your email in it, right? This is a free 14 days Shopify trial drop shipping kit. Can you see drop shipping kit? It basically means when you submit to it, right, then you get to be able to actually go to Shopify, but only if you get through this method to Shopify. Basically, I send you a drop shipping kit, which is a bunch of cool information, which I talk about in the training. So if you want to get through that training, you really need to get that thing pretty strong into your mind. Find the product, sell the product. Now, as far as the training goes, basically this is my message, this is my purpose, okay? That's this thing we call exchange marketplace. Now, please give me your attention for 10 minutes and this training is going to be over. And basically it's going to change your mind. Believe me, it's going to blow your mind. Check this out. Exchangemarketplace.com. Exchange Marketplace, as you can see right here, Exchange is Shopify's marketplace to buy and sell businesses for entrepreneurs like you. I'm gonna have my little tea. I'm just coming out of a cold. It's pretty cold down here. Exchange is a Shopify marketplace to buy and sell businesses for entrepreneurs like you. Basically, what you do is you build businesses, you build websites using the content management system Shopify, and then you are allowed to sell it on Exchange. This is mind-blowing, okay? Because there's no hackers. You cannot hack any type of information. You cannot hack news. You can't put fake news. There's no fake news on Exchange. You can't say, you cannot say, I've got this many visitors a day, because it's all tracked through Shopify. So basically what you do is this: if you go to an Exchange Marketplace and you go to business type, you go to drop shipping, and then you go to, I like to go to age, just to show you that you can do this in less than 3 months. And then you might go to price. Why not? You go above 1,000. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of stores selling for 1,000 and more, right? So I just wanted to take you through this idea, okay? Don't focus too much on what I'm saying right now, because the first thing that we gotta pretty much get done soon as possible, so as fast as you can, it is to build a store. To build a store, you need to find a product, you need to sell a product. Find a product, sell a product, okay? So this is what you gotta do soon as possible. But because you need to put a because after that, because you can sell it in 3 months and make this amount of money. So this is the statement that is going to take you to take action as soon as possible. Okay, so in exchange, this is what you can do. You can have a store and then sell it straight away, okay? Free from any hackers and anything, because it's all real, all up in your face on Exchange Marketplace. So just quickly as a run through, if you go, for instance, for any listing, okay, for this for an example, this website, what you can use Exchange Marketplace at this stage is to find a product to sell. Okay, so that's the first thing we got to get out of the way. Find a product. How you going to find a product? Okay, so that's a link that I put in the description on the channel. We have one of the best. It has no views. I can't believe it has no views, because it's all about YouTube or whatever it works. But on this video, this is gold. Okay, I'm really telling you from my heart, this is gold. So if you have time, just go through this video. It'll teach you exactly with numbers how you find a niche market, right? But if you want to have something that is not niche related, but more of something trending, so you can sell it and sell it quickly, you don't need a niche. You need a trend. You need to go with follow the followers. Okay, so once you know that this type of niche sell, okay, this type of niche sells, once you know that, you will build another store around the same niche, changing the branding, changing the feel, changing the energy, changing the emotion, so you can be assured that just like this guy sold it for $1,000, you can sell it for at least for $1,000. You see the point? So on Exchange now, the first way you're gonna use Exchange Marketplace right now, it is to find a product idea. Okay, so you can browse through Exchange just like this. As I showed you, you want to make sure that you're on the drop shipping business type. Then you go for 0 to 6 months, just to be sure that we're on the pretty quickly type of vibration, and then put at least 1,000 to 5,000. Don't go over the top, believe me. Just fly very low, very solo. Just fly that way, it'll work out the better. And then you can browse through the listing just to have an idea to find the product. Then the second step is to sell the product. The way you sell the product is, again, Shopify. Okay, so easy as it is. Shopify is this amazing company that allows you to build stores like this one, and having your website really up and running in a matter of seconds. Okay, so you're gonna have this website exactly like this one in a really matter of seconds, and it's going to be free. Okay, so just to keep promise with them, this is a very simple story. If you can see it, you see it has just few products, but it's very niche related, and most of all has a brand name, and he's selling for $1,000. Now, if you want to make sure, for instance, just to keep promise of what I'm preaching, right? If you go to small SEO tools and you put your the domain in case, right, and you search for it, okay, you will see down at the bottom that this website, the domain has 5 months and 2 days. So I will keep an eye on this listing, of course, and I keep you updated. But I can tell you straight away that this is going to sell for $1,000. I can tell you that. But this is very important that you get that pretty straight into your mind. Okay, so the first thing you can use Exchange Marketplace for is to find products, ideas for what is trending. Okay, you need to get that pretty clear. Okay, so Marketplace, Exchange Marketplace, it is to find ideas at this moment. The second step is to go to the free training and then just watch the whole video, because I take you really step by step. So at the end of this video, you will know how to actually build a store, because you will actually build it with me during this training. So you will be able to sell it. And then the last step to this, before we wrap up this video, will be to maybe come back to this video, okay? Or maybe you don't need to, because I put a link in the description so you can grab a hold of a complete PDF file that I will again put in the link in the description of this video, where I basically take you through a complete training on how to get that business that you just built and actually put it on exchange to sell it. Okay, so we can get this whole process. If you don't take action, it might take years, but if you take action today, it's gonna take less than 3 months. And if you need money because you need to pay a mortgage, because you having some trouble, because you couldn't manage your finances, the smart way in the past, there's still a chance for you. Don't worry about it. The internet is here to make it all beautiful. So take a deep breath. There's still a chance. My name is Jack McDonald's. Again, you can tag me on ko5.com, buy me a coffee. I would really appreciate that. But most of all, I'm just giving you a way to show your gratitude. I also run this beautiful YouTube channel about starting businesses online using WordPress. But most of all, I'm really focused on Shopify is the name, because this is the name, really. Shopify is the name, drop shipping is the game, and Exchange Marketplace makes it all beautiful, because you can take a business that you build in 3 months and sell it for for whatever you want, really. It depends on the business, depends if you can stay with it. So it's a beautiful process. I hope I was here to make the difference and kind of give you some ideas. Just to keep a promise on the title of this video, when I'm saying starting drop shipping for free, is because Shopify allows you to have your store up and running for free, okay, for 14 days. So for basically for 2 weeks, you will have your store on the internet live, okay, with everything in place. Accepting credit cards, accepting payments. You will have it all up and running. Again, all of it through the training, by the way. Okay, everything is going to be in the training. So in 14 days, you have time, okay, in 14 days to make as many sales as you want with the method that I teach in the training, which it takes no genius, right? Everybody's talking about it. I talk about it too. Why not? Why shouldn't you use it? And it's basically running advertisement. Okay, we pretty much on Facebook right now, because Facebook seems to be what everybody likes to be on. So I use it personally for business purpose. As a leisure time, I do other stuff. I read. I do other stuff. But yeah, people seems to like Facebook much. And if you go on Facebook and you have the ability to kind of search for something, like for instance, if you were interested on something, you would go on Facebook, right? If you were interested in this tool, right? I was interested in this tool lately, and if you go trying to find it for this tool, okay, you will have a browse through and you will see that not a lot of people is talking about it. Well, you're kind of in the game, because the demand is pretty low. But if you want something that sells a lot, you need to go with trending stuff, okay? And if you want a trending stuff, you gotta go on Exchange Marketplace and have a basic idea of something that's trending. For instance, this guy really picked, I'm assuming he's a man, but whoever built this website, whoever built this business, when for something trending, and it's going to work out perfectly because it was different. But if you run Facebook ads with these trending tools, it's going to work a lot on Facebook, and you can do that in less than 14 days. You can get a sale, way more than a sale, with the techniques and the method that I show you in this complete training. And this is why I'm trying to be honest with myself and honest with you most of all, because I really want you not only to subscribe and comment on the video, I really want you to take my words and make it something special, that I could make the difference, okay? Even though you see no face of mine, right? Because that's my whole purpose. My whole purpose is like just through my voice and through the teachings, allow you to really give you that freedom. So big time again, my name is Jack McDonald's. Make sure to go to this training. Of course you will. That's the link in the description, so you can go ahead and everything is in the description. I'm trying to provide everything I can in the description. Once again, stick around. Shopify is the name. I'm mumbling. I will never leave you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Peace out. Bye bye.